Welcome to our latest video, where we dive into the stylish and compact world of the Samsung NX Mini. In today's episode, we'll explore why this camera continues to be a favorite for travelers, vloggers, and photography enthusiasts looking for lightweight gear without sacrificing quality. Let's start by addressing what catches everyone's attention first: the design. The Samsung NX Mini is remarkably thin and lightweight, perfect for people on the go. With a body that weighs just 158 grams, this camera can easily slip into your pocket or small bag, making it an ideal companion for spontaneous photography adventures. One of the most loved features of the Samsung NX Mini is its 3-inch flip-up touchscreen, designed specifically for those who enjoy taking selfies or vlogging. This 180-degree flip-up display allows you to frame yourself perfectly, so you're always ready for that ideal shot. The camera also offers a beauty mode that smooths out your skin tones and enhances your features, ideal for those who frequently share their photos on social media. Moving on to what truly matters in any camera: image quality. The Samsung NX Mini is equipped with a 20.5 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, which ensures stunning image clarity even in low light conditions. It also supports interchangeable lenses, giving you more flexibility to capture different types of shots, whether wide-angle or macro. The camera's fast autofocus helps you lock onto your subject quickly, ensuring you never miss a moment. For those interested in video, the Samsung NX Mini offers full HD video recording at 1080p, making it a solid choice for vloggers. What makes the NX Mini stand out even more is its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. You can transfer photos and videos directly to your smartphone or tablet without any hassle. With NFC pairing, sharing your content on social media is just a tap away. Battery life is always a concern when it comes to compact cameras, but the Samsung NX Mini does a pretty good job. It offers up to 650 shots per charge, which is more than enough for a full day of shooting. With the NX Mini, you don't have to compromise on quality just because you want something compact. So, there you have it, an in-depth look at the Samsung NX Mini, a camera that packs a lot of punch in a small frame. From its stylish, ultra-portable design to its impressive image quality and selfie-friendly features, this camera proves that good things can come in small packages. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-use camera or an enthusiast in need of a lightweight option for everyday shooting, the NX Mini has something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more camera reviews and tech content. Feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or want to share your experience with the Samsung NX Mini. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.